freshly dried, clean laundry. One of the most wonderful things in life. Another one is, of course, a smaller utility bill. And this is possible thanks to this little test winner. Say hello to the Woods LD40 dehumidifier. According to an independent test in the Swedish magazine Villalivet, the LD40 dries your laundry between 55 and a staggering 587% more energy efficient than the tumble dryer, the drying cabinet and the fan heater used in the test. Now that's just wonderful. If you want to save money drying your laundry, that is.